Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I have a versatile little side table that you can use for so many things. This is from RCHYFEED, and this little table goes from 18 to 29.5 inches, making it a really useful product for a lot of different uses. So this is great as a little adjustable side table that you can use by your couch. You can put your laptop on it and adjust it up to the height that you want to use it at. Or you can just use this as a little side table to display items. And it's also great in an office setting because it has a very simple and clean design. Another thing about this is that it holds up to 30 pounds, which is really nice as well. So if you are using it as a workspace, you can safely store your laptop up here or your tablet and not worry about it toppling over. The base is nice and wide, and it also has a foam piece on the bottom, so it is not going to move around and it's not going to scratch your floors. To make adjustments, it's really simple. You just twist this piece here, and then you can bring the table down, and you can also bring it up. So you have quite an option in the height of where you'd like to use it. So if you're looking for a very simple and versatile adjustable table, I would definitely check out this one, and that's my point of view.